Okay, Michael, this is for you. We are going to calculate this limit, the limit as x approaching infinity, inverse tangent of e to the negative x. Well, this is nothing crazy. First of all, let's put the infinity right here. So we're looking at the inverse tangent of e to the negative infinity, right? And now, let's look at this part perhaps on the side. When we have e to the negative infinity, this right here is with negative exponent, so we can write this as 1 over e to the positive infinity. And e to the infinity, because e is bigger than 1, so we know this is going to work infinity. So I will draw arrow because I'm taking the limit. This is 1 over infinity, which we can draw a conclusion. That's just 0. So the inside is just a 0. In other words, we are just calculating the inverse tangent of 0. And because regular tangent of 0 is 0, that means inverse tangent of 0 is also 0. So this right here is the answer. That's it.